I'm about to share with you the secrets of what Neville Goddard meant when he talked about the importance of thinking feelingly, living in the end, and the art of harnessing your imagination to unlock the door to manifesting your deepest desires. Have you ever considered the depth of influence your thoughts, emotions, and imagination wield in sculpting the path of your life? To begin, picture this scenario. What if I were to reveal that envisioning your aspirations as already realized could set in motion a cosmic force, propelling your desires into existence? By vividly imagining you already have what you desire, you encapsulate the essence of thinking from the end, holding firm to your dreams, and vividly see them like your dream is a blockbuster movie, with you revealing your success as the credits roll. Neville Goddard's insight lies in his belief that the subconscious mind blurs the lines between reality and imagination. By consistently practicing thinking from the end, you broadcast a crystal-clear signal to your subconscious, seamlessly aligning your thoughts, actions, and beliefs with the desired outcome. Neville Goddard once said, "Assume the feeling of your wish fulfilled, and observe the route that your attention follows." Yet, the true marvel emerges with thinking feelingly. It's not enough to merely contemplate your desires. You must submerge yourself in the emotions they would evoke if they were already accomplished. Visualize the sheer joy, boundless excitement, and unwavering confidence that accompany your achievement. As per Goddard's teachings, emotions form a direct conduit to the subconscious. When you infuse your thoughts with authentic emotions, you amplify their manifesting prowess. It's akin to cranking up the volume on your desires, ensuring they become irresistible forces of reality. Another great quote from Neville Goddard is, "Feeling is the secret of successful prayer. Feel yourself into the situation of your answered prayer." At the core of Neville's philosophy lies your imagination. It's not just a whimsical notion, it's the bridge between your conscious and subconscious realms. Your imagination is the sacred canvas where you craft mental masterpieces, where you practice thinking from the end and thinking feelingly. Your imagination serves as the instrument with which you design the life you desire. Here, you intricately paint vivid images of your desires, infusing them with genuine emotions. Your subconscious consistently interprets these images as directives, tirelessly working to manifest your desires into tangible reality. Now let's delve into the practical application of Neville Goddard's principles in your daily life. Create a mental scene. Dedicate a daily ritual to vividly imagine your desires as fully realized. What do they look like? How do they feel? Embrace the emotions. As you visualize, genuinely experience the emotions connected to your desires. Let the intoxicating mix of excitement and positivity flow through you. Affirmations. Harness the power of positive affirmations, aligned with your desired outcome. These affirmations bolster your beliefs and intentions. Persistency. Consistency is pivotal. Maintain these practices daily, even when immediate results appear elusive. Have unwavering faith in the process. In expanding our understanding, it's essential to recognize that Neville Goddard's teachings aren't a mere blueprint for manifesting materialistic desires. They encompass the transformation of one's entire life. From health to relationships, from career to spirituality, the principles are universally applicable. Realize the immense potential and responsibility that Neville's teachings bestow upon you. You have the power to sculpt your reality, but this empowerment necessitates discipline, consistency, and a deep connection with your inner self. To conclude, Neville Goddard's teachings on thinking from the end, thinking feelingly, and harnessing the profound power of imagination are an invitation to craft the life you desire. Your imagination is the canvas, your thoughts and emotions the brushes. Embrace this creative journey, and you'll find the masterpiece of your dreams within your reach. If you found this video enlightening, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. Together, we can unlock the incredible potential of our minds and manifest our deepest desires. Thanks for joining us on this transformative journey, and until next time,